That's one broken ass arm.
Yo, Klaus!
Yo!
What's up, dude?
Water slide.
Tell me what's up here.
This is the slip and slide we've been building for the last week. We're gonna have a little session on it.
I really don't want to do this, but I think I'll hate myself if I don't. And these people, it's tough love. People are like, there's no, you can do it, man. It's not that hard.
And if he does it, I have to do it.
Yeah.
So I kind of hate him right now because I don't really want to do it.
Jævlig fett, hæ? Var det så scary som det føltes ut som? Det var jævlig fett. Ja, det var jævlig gøy. Der, ja!
That's one broken ass arm. Okay, the thing that happened that the speed is
Probably 50-60 kilometers per hour.
It's crazy today because of the rain, and people slam into the slide because you get a little jump in the middle, so the slide has broken, and Trygve was the last guy trying it after it was broken, so he hit the place where the wood was a little bit busted, so it busted his arm.
Probably broken as well.
Yeah,
maybe broken.
2 broken wooden planks.
Yeah.
That sucks.
So many people showing up as well.
Yeah.
I think they're gonna try to fix it, but
they're working on it now.
Like this, people can't leave here without their arms.
Klaus, what's up? We have to do a little bit of maintenance on the slide. People are going too fast, man. It's broken? It's just a little bit. Yeah, it's a bit broken. But we'll fix it. Yeah. Small trip to the hospital. They're going to fix the slide. We have approximately 30 minutes. They will have the slide up and running. So we're here at what's it called? Emergency center. We're going to, I don't know, talk to some doctors. Hopefully there will be not a long queue. Jeg hadde sikkert 60-70 km i timen på vindskleda. Og så har den knekt, så jeg truffet en sånn kant. So we left in a hurry from the water slide. And I was bathing, and the cameraman was just running around with his camera. So we both forgot our phones. when we were done here, we had to figure out a good solution to go home. So, what should we do, Eric?
I don't know.
No, we need it. Oh, we're going to figure something good out afterwards. So to this we're happy. Now we're going to check out. She said there's probably no fraction in the arm. So hopefully we can go home, drink some beers, put on some vodka Red Bull, and keep party up.
So one of the legends of the Bula Beanie Boogie, Bula Beanie Boogie, is that we are giving away these hats and luer. Beanies. Yeah, beanies. That's why it's called a Bula Beanie Boogie. That's right. Alright, but we're giving away these amazing beanies, and these are collector's items. Every year people are going crazy to get one of these hats. Here go people. We have some for you inside. 18 euros.
Howdy, mate.
Howdy, mate. No, we're going to something called Lokst. We're going to something called Lokst, and it's just people throwing themselves out of the mountain, 12 meters right in the ocean. Bam!
On their belly.
On their belly. It does not look safe because, you know, it's 12 meters. It does not look safe because, you know, people are flying off the cliff and just, and then doing the shrimp or belly flop or something. People get injured. This is crazy. You know, skydiving is crazy. This is insane that people do, and like kayaking, that also. But yeah, this is gonna be crazy fun. Crazy.
Are you gonna try or?
Yeah, they say so.
They say so.
But I'm afraid of heights, so we don't know though, do we?
Life happened. I'm not good at this diving stuff, so I thought that landing this way was the good way, but it was not. I was pissing blood this morning. I don't think that's a good thing. I don't think so.
We're here at the jump, and we're just gonna watch these crazy guys do what they do best, dutch. And we got Arne, who's probably broke the record for most events or activities done the entire week, and he's injured his foot, but yeah, we got a car waiting. We'll drive him to the hospital 3rd time this week. It's gonna be a good time. Don't worry about it.